Crystal Hot Springs. The renovation is finished.
Alright, I'm back at Crystal Hot Springs, my favorite place in the whole world, and it is fantastic. A lot of the modifications and upgrades are all done, so let's take a look around.
The renovations include a great new lobby with lots of snacks and souvenirs. Down this hall leads to 2 brand new change rooms. Also included in the renovation is this great new picnic area with brand new tables and fresh new grass. The new cave splash pad provides a lot of fun for the whole family with fountains and waterfalls. To the west of the splash pad, we have the main pool, which is naturally heated and very pleasant. To the east of the splash pad, we have another heated pool, complete with waterfalls of different temperatures. North of that, we have 3 hot tubs of different temperatures. South of the splash pad, we have the water slides. These water slides are old school and function almost year-round with heated water. They are still a ton of fun. The stairs can be slippery to get up the slides, so I suggest you use care. I never get tired of water slides. And even though I've been down this slide 100 times, it's fun every single time. The heated water is a nice touch, especially in the cooler months. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more great videos.